Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Morning, sir.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, good morning.
Good afternoon, Mas Yusuf. Guys, nice to meet you guys.
Yes, how are you today?
Alhamdulillah, everything is under control. What about you, Mr. Hidayat?
Everything is gonna be okay.
Everything is gonna be okay. No, okay. Hello, Mas Syahrul Faiz. Can I see your face, everyone? Can I see you? Can you turn on your camera? Okay. Hello, Mbak Amanda.
Wait a minute.
Hello, sir.
Ahmad Farid Raihan. Okay, everyone, please turn on your camera. Actually, I'm gonna. Katanya tak kenal, makanya tak sayang katanya kan ya. So I have to know you first before we start the class. I think we have to know each other. Hello, Mas Romi, Mas Yusuf, Mas Dava, Mas Gary. Okay, another one. Okay guys, welcome to semester 2. Sudah semester 2 sekarang. Okay, you're already in the semester 2. And I think we're gonna meet in 2 semester. We're gonna see you in 2 semester, semester 2 and semester 3. Okay. So don't be bored when I meet you, because it takes enough time ya. Cukup waktu yang lama, 2 semester. Okay. But before we introduce ourselves first, let me open the class by reciting Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Do you know my name, guys?
Inshallah, sir.
Yes.
So you already know me, yeah?
Right?
Okay, so you already know me. And I haven't know you yet. Okay, so who are from Prodi Program Studi Teknologi Informasi? Teknologi Informasi siapa aja? Can you show me your face from Teknologi Informasi? Oke, angkat tangannya, angkat tangannya. Show your emoticon. Oke, Teknologi Informasi. Okay. How many students in your class, guys? 17.
It was 16 before, but it going decrease become 8 until 11%.
Now 11%.
Yes, I guess.
Okay, 11%. So you are the responsible for your class, Mr. Hidayat?
Not really. I'm still a newbie inside this class.
All right. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna call your name, guys. Yeah. From Teknologi Informasi. Ahmad Hidayat, are you here?
That's me. Yes.
All right. Ahmad Hidayat. Where are you from, Mas Hidayat?
I'm coming from Bandung, sir.
Oh, Bandung Island, Pulau Bandung. Is it correct? Bandung
Yes.
is pulau or city?
That's city, sir.
All right. So not island, but Bandung city. All right. Oh, what about? Thank you, Mas Hidayat. What about Al Rayananda Novius Maputra CF? Who is CF? Al Rayananda. Is he here?
He was resigned, sir. He was
Resign.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, wait a minute. So Ariananda resign, yeah. So I have to write here. Resign. Badrudin?
He is also resigned, sir.
Resign. Wazri Ardi Fadlan. Is he resign also? No. Wazri Ardi Fadlan. Do you know Mas Hidayat? Where is Mas Badrudin? Mas Fazri.
I guess he happened enter this class, sir.
Oh, so he haven't joined the class.
Yes.
All right. Okay, thank you. So we go to Josephat Fashkal Mulyanta. Where is Josephat? Josephat, nothing. Is he resign also or not?
No, he still exists.
Oh, okay. All right. Marlin Salda Putri Desma Aprianti. What about Marlin? Marlin is woman, right?
She is girl, sir.
Okay, I mean, yeah, girl. She's a girl. Marlin, so she didn't join the class, or she haven't joined the class.
Yes, she happened join the class.
Okay, Muhammad Iqbal Rahman.
Present,
Iqbal.
sir.
Okay, well, can I see you? Can I see your face?
Okay, sir.
Can you turn on the camera? Rahman. Okay, Mas Iqbal, yeah. Where are you, Mas Iqbal? Where are you from?
I'm from Batam, sir.
Batam.
Batam. Kepulauan Riau,
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Tangerang.
near Singapore.
Oh. Okay, neighborhood with Singapore.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Mas Iqbal. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay. We go to Monica Carla. Monica? Is she here? Mas Hidayat? Where is Mbak Monica?
She hasn't joined the class, sir.
All right, she hasn't joined the class. We go to Muhammad Calvin Effendi. Calvin Effendi. Nothing.
I don't know about him, sir. I'm sorry.
But he still exists, right?
I'm not sure. I haven't get any information about him.
All right. Muhammad Rabbani. Muhammad Robani? Nothing. Okay. Fatma Jatnika. Fatma Jatnika. Nothing. Okay. Prasetya Adi Nuswantara. Prasetya Adi Nuswantara, nothing. Putri Meliana Sari. Hello,
Present.
Mbak Putri. Can I see you? Halo, Mbak Putri. Where are you, Mbak Putri? Where are you now? Are you
I'm
at home? No,
from
no.
Depok
No, I didn't ask where are you from, but where are you now?
in my room.
Yeah, so you are in your room. So what
Yeah.
about you? Where is your hometown? Where is your hometown? Depok?
Yeah.
Okay, Depok. All right. Nice to meet you, Mbak Putri.
Nice to meet you too, Mr.
Okay, so Putri Melina Sari is design. We go to Rafifah Adila.
Yes, sir.
Can I see you?
Of course.
All right. Where are you, Mbak Rafifah?
I'm from South Tangerang.
No. How are you?
Oh, how are you?
Are you?
Thank you. And how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So you are from South Tangerang,
Yes, I am.
and so near from campus.
Yes.
So where is the Tangerang? Where's Tangerang exactly?
Bintaro, sir.
Bintaro. All right. Rafifah Adila, ya. All right. Nice to meet you, Rafifah. Okay.
Nice
We
to
go
meet you
to
too, sir.
Salahuddin Abdul Aziz. Salahuddin Abdul Aziz. Nothing. Siti Nadia. Siti Nadia. Nothing. Wirpan Atmaja Putra. Nothing. Wirpan Atmaja Putra. Okay, nothing. Okay, so the students who are present only who are in the class today is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 students from Teknologi Informasi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Ahmad Hidayat, Iqbal, Putri Meliana Sari, Rafi Fadila. Only 4 students from sorry.
There are Monica and Muhammad Rabani, sir.
Monica. Where is Monica?
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
Monica. Can I see you? Where have you been when I called you last time? You haven't joined the class before? Can you turn on your camera? Monica. Cara lapak pahan ya. Halo, Mbak Monica. Mbak Monica dari mana asalnya? Where are you from, Mbak Monica? So, hello. Can you turn on your camera, Mbak Monica? And siapa lagi tadi yang belum? Muhammad Monica and
Muhammad Robani.
Muhammad Robani. Where is Muhammad Robani? Muhammad Robbani. Muhammad Robbani, where are you? I have to know you guys. Where are you? Nothing. He's trying to join again. Okay. Okay, we're waiting for him. Okay, we go to the next class. The next prodi actually is from Informatika, ya.
Sorry, sir.
Ya.
I'm Salahuddin from Teknologi Informasi.
Really? Last time I
yeah.
called you didn't answer my calling.
Sure, I'm Wahyudi Hafid,
Wahyudi Hafid.
Sistem Informasi. Yes, Sistem
Wait a
Informasi.
minute. Saya Salahuddin Abdul Aziz ya. Salahuddin
Yes.
Abdul Aziz. Can I see you, Mas Abdul or Mas Aziz? Can you turn on your camera, Mas? All right, Mas Salahuddin. Okay, Mas Salahuddin. Where are you from, Mas Salah?
I'm from Bandung.
Bandung City. Oke,
Yes.
same as Mas Hidayat ya. Mas Hidayat also from Bandung. Ahmad Hidayat. Okay. Nice to meet you, Mas Salah. We go
Nice to
to
meet you, okay.
siapa tadi lagi? Yazid ya. No. Wahyudi Hafid. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Wahyudi Hafid. There is no your name here. Wahyudi Hafid. There is
Yes,
no your name
sir.
here.
I'm here.
Teknologi informasi, right?
Okay. Yes, System Information.
Teknologi informasi atau sistem informasi.
Yes, sir. System Informasi.
So I haven't called your name. Just wait it. Okay. We go to Informatika first. So let's run. Finally, we go to Sistem Informasi. Abdurrahman Zawhari. Is there Abdurrahman Zawhari here? Think. Asep Taufik Hidayat. Asep Taufik Hidayat. Nothing. Adam Kurnia. Nothing. Ali Usman. Ali Usman
from Karyawan, sir.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm wrong. Okay. Abdul Rahman Zawhari. There Abdul Rahman Zawhari here. Nothing. Ahmad Farid Raihan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mas Farid. Where are you from, Mas Farid?
I'm from Jambi City.
Sorry?
I'm from Jambi City.
Jambi.
Yes.
Jambi is island or city?
City.
City. All right. From Jambi. Nice to meet you, Mas Ahmad Farid Raihan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ahmad, we go to Ahmad Nathan Firdaus.
Yes, sir.
Can I see you? Okay, Mas Nathan Firdaus. Where are you from, Mas Nathan?
I'm from South Tangerang,
South Tangerang. Is Bintaro or another
Pamulang.
one? Huh?
Pamulang.
Pamulang. All right, Pamulang. Nice to meet you, Mas Ahmad Farhan.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay. Dava Faizuddin Ahnaf.
In here, sir.
Okay, Dava EF. Dava Faizuddin Ahmad EF is Informatika, right?
Yep.
All right. Where are you from, Mas Ahmad? Mas Dava?
I'm from Satangerang.
South Tangerang also. Okay. Pamulang or Bintaro?
Serpong.
Serpong. That's all right. Serpong. Nice to meet you, Mas Dava. Ya. Mas
Nice to
Dava
meet
or
you too.
Faizuddin? Dava or Faizuddin?
Dava.
Dava. All right, Dava. So I can call your name by using Dava. Okay, we go to Diazki Arta Putra Wijaya.
I'm here, sir.
All right. Okay, Mas Arta or Mas Wijaya?
Yaski aja, Mister.
Yazki.
Yeah.
Mas Yazki. Where are you, Mas Yazki?
South Tangerang.
South Tangerang also. Serpong, Bintaro, or
BSD.
BSD. Oh, BSD. All right. Thank you. Nice to meet you. We
Yes,
go to
Mister.
Donny Antonius. Okay, wait a minute. Who is responsible for this class? Who is the student who is responsible for this class? Guys. Donny Antonius, are you here? Who is responsible for this class? You have to have a responsible.
Excuse me, sir, which class? Is it Teknologi Informasi or Informatika?
Informatika.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, siapa? Ahmad Farid Rehan.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you are the responsible for this class, right? Okay, so I have to bold your name here. Ahmad Farid Rehan. Wait a minute. Thank you, Mas Farid. Yeah. So you have to know your friends if they didn't join the class.
Yes.
They have to give you an information if they cannot join the class or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Farid Rehan ya. Fernanda Harjoki Putra. Fernanda? Do you
Yes,
know
sir.
Fernanda? Okay, Fernanda Harjoki Putra. Hello, Mas Fernanda.
Hello, Miss. Sir.
Okay. No, don't call me Miss ya. If you call me Miss, I will be melambai nantinya ya. Okay. Where are you, Mas Putra or Fernanda? Nanda. Fernanda.
Yes, I'm from South Tangerang.
South Tangerang. Okay, South Tangerang. Bintaro, Serpong, BSD? Serpong. Mas
Yes.
Fernanda Harjoki Putra. Fernanda ya, I call your name by Fernanda.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. We go to, nice to meet you, Mas Fernanda ya. We go to Gary Lodwig Putra Saban.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mas Gary, Mr. Gary. Where are you from, Mas Gary?
I'm from Depok, Mister.
Depok. Really? From Depok?
Really, Mister?
Okay. You are from Depok. Nice to meet you, Mas Gary.
Nice to meet you, Mister.
I think you are a brother from Mr. siapa sih? Grasberg. Do you know Grasberg? From semester 4 ya. So I think you know him actually. Okay.
Okay, Mister.
Mas Gary ya from Depok.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mister.
We go to Heidi Angkawija. Angkawija Nateja.
Present, sir.
Mana? Where? Mas Hadi ya? Angkawija Nateja. Where are you from,
Yes.
Mas Hadi?
I'm from Tangerang, sir. BSD.
BSD ya. Mas, nice to meet you, Mas Hadi.
Nice to meet you too.
To Ibrahim.
I'm here, sir.
Ibrahim. Oh ya, Mas Ibrahim. Where are you from, Mas Ibrahim?
Padang.
Tangerang?
Padang.
Padang.
Yes.
Oh, Padang. Padang. Nice to meet you, Mas Ibrahim from Padang. So you are in Padang now or in South Tangerang? You still in Padang or you already in South Tangerang?
Padang.
Oh, you still in Padang. So should we have a plan for going to South Tangerang? Ada rencana nggak mau ke Tangerangnya kapan?
Nunggu
COVID. Nunggu COVID selesai ya.
ya.
So you are waiting for COVID-19. All right, thank you. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mas Abdurrahman Zoharia. Actually, I haven't called your name.
Hi, Mister.
Hi. Where are you from, Mas?
I'm from Kediri, Mister. I'm sorry. My name is Abdurrahman Johari. I'm from Kediri and I'm studying ITTS. Fakultas Informatika.
Okay. So actually, I haven't called your name yet, but you already talk about yours. But it's okay. Abdurrahman Zohari from Kediri.
Yeah.
Where is the Kediri exactly?
Kediri in Ngadiluih, Mister, Jawa Timur.
I know Kediri, Jawa Timur, but where is the Kediri itself first? Where is the Kediri except?
Kediri in position in Ngadiluih in Kabupaten Kediri, Mister.
Is it near from Pare?
So long, Mister. One house, 20 minutes.
Okay, actually, I have been in Kediri for 1 year actually.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, I have been there for 1 year in 2012.
Were you first in Pare, Mister?
Yeah, of course, in BEC, Basic English course. I took
What did you say?
BEC.
BEC. Oh, BEC. Oh.
The first English course that exists in Pare until now.
Oh, I wanna in Pare. I know Pare is Mr. Fajar English course. You know, Mister?
I don't think so. I know that. Maybe it's
Brilliant.
Brilliant. I know that Brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Brilliant. I know Charisma. I know another ones like. There's so many English courses there. That's why it's called Kampung English, right? Okay. Nice to meet you, Mas Abdullah. We go to the next one first. Ilham Ardiansa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mas Ilham. Can I see you?
Hello. I'm so sorry, sir, because my camera is dead.
Oh, it's off. Your camera is off, so you can open your camera.
Why? Hello?
You cannot on your camera.
Yeah, because my camera is broken.
Oh, so your camera is broken. Okay.
Yeah.
So what gadget that you use in joining this class? You are using your handphone or your laptop?
My handphone.
So you are using your handphones.
Yeah.
All right, that's okay.
I'm
Ilham
sorry.
Hadiansah. Where are you from, Mas Hadiansah?
I'm from South Tangerang, Pondok Aren,
So
Ciledug.
Ciledug.
Yeah, Ciledug.
Hadiansah, Ciledug. All right. Nice to meet you, Ilham or
Nice to
Hadiansah.
meet you too, sir.
All right. Muhammad Farid Ramadan Sani. Muhammad Farid Ramadan Sani. There.
Sir.
Muhammad Farid Ramadan Sani. Do you know him?
No.
No. So we skip him first. Muhammad Rifki Firdaus. No. Do you know him? No. Rifki Firdaus. I call your name once more. Nothing. Mas Gary, do you know Rifki Firdaus?
No, Mister.
No? Oh, okay.
No.
We go to the next one. Rahmat Putra. Rahmat Putra. Nothing. Nothing. Romi Fadli.
Yes, sir.
Romi Fadli.
Yes.
Can you turn on your camera? Okay, Mas Romi Fadli. Where are you from, Mas Romi?
I'm from South Tangerang, sir.
South Tangerang. Okay. Nice to meet you, Mas Romi.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Itu saat Abdurrahman El Amin.
He permit, sir.
Permit.
Going to hospital. So,
Okay, permit. All right, wait a minute. Permit. You go to the hospital. Okay. Sandy Aditya Dwi Putra. Nothing. Anyone know Cindy?
Gary knows, sir.
Gary knows. Where is Sandy, Mas Gary?
Sleeping, Miss. Miss lagi, Mister. Where is your...
He's still sleeping? Oh my God. Can you wake him up? Please, wake him up.
Gary's best friend, sir.
Gary best friends.
Yes.
So you have to wake him up, Mas Gary. So Mas Sandy is Tom or is his best friend, right? So he is Mas Sandy is Tom and Gary. No, Tom and Gary. Aduh, gagal nih ngejoknya. Oke, Mas Sandy masih tidur ya. So, bangunin. Masuk.
Jauh, Mister.
Oh, jauh. Saya pikir satu kos. Sahrul Faiz Ramdhani.
Present, sir.
Oh, Sahrul Faiz Ramdhani. Okay, where are you from, Mas?
I'm from Rangkas Bitung, sir.
Rangkas Bitung.
Yes.
So you are now stay in Rangkas Bitung?
I'm still in Rangkas Bitung, sir.
Really? I am also in Rangkas Bitung. Where is Rangkas Bitung? Where is Rangkas Bitung?
In Lebak.
No, I know. Rangkas Bitungnya mana? Rangkas Bitungnya mana?
BTN Narimbang. BTN Narimbang Indah.
BTN Narimbang Indah. I know that. So maybe next time we can have a cup of coffee in another place.
You can call me Faiz, sir.
Yeah, of course. Faiz, yeah? Faiz. Actually, I'm in Ona.
Oh, Ona. Oh, I know.
Yeah, Ona. Yeah. You can come here anytime.
Inshallah.
Okay. Okay, Mas Faiz, ya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. We go to Mas Teguh. Mas Teguh. Teguh, nothing, Teguh?
Nothing, sir.
All right. William Pratama B. William Pratama B, nothing? Do you know where is William Pratama? Mas Ahmad.
Mungkin masih tidur juga, sir.
Masih tidur, wis. Nek ngene iki repot. Yazid Syafiq. Yazid Syafiq Irsyad.
Present, sir.
Okay. Mas Yazid ya. Where are you, Mas Yazid?
I'm from Pringsewu, Lampung.
Pringsewu, Lampung. Okay, so you are still there now. Okay, nice to meet you, Mas Yazid.
Nice
So-
to meet you too,
So
sir.
do you have a plan to come to South Tangerang? In
Maybe until COVID.
okay, until the COVID is end. Kapan COVID ini, Masya Allah. Ya,
Ujian.
thank you for apa tadi? Teknologi informasi ya?
Informatika, sir.
Informatika,
Oh,
sir.
informatika. Alright. So we go to system information ya, information system. So we take for afternoon on we take half of time. So we go to Aditya Pradana Ramadan. Aditya, nothing. Agnesta Yulilta Dayul.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mbak Agnesta. Where are you from, Mbak Agnes?
I'm from Flores, sir.
You are from Flores. Actually, I have a friend. I have so many friends from Flores, actually. So you are still in Flores or you are in South Tangerang? No. Lagi di mana sekarang? Lagi di Tangerang atau masih di Flores?
Cilegon, sir.
Masih di Flores?
Cilegon, Pak. Cilegon.
Oh, lagi di Cilegon. So you are in Cilegon now. Alright. Nice to meet you, Mbak Agnes ya.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay. Al-Fatah Wibisono. Al-Fatah, Al-Fatah.
Yes.
Okay, Mas Al-Fatah. Actually, your name is same is like my boarding school name. Al-Fatah. Al-Fatah, where are you from, Mas Al-Fatah?
I'm from South Tangerang.
South Tangerang. So you are South Tangerang. Okay, nice to meet you, Mas Al-Fatah.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. Actually, I'm gonna ask you who is the responsible for this class.
The name is Lusmarito Rusmadian, sir.
Sorry.
The people who are responsible for this class, right?
Yeah.
His name is Lusmarito Rusmadian.
Rusma.
Lusmarito. Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute.
He's not in here, sir. Maybe he hasn't wake up yet.
Okay. So he hasn't joined the class, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you contact him?
All right, wait a minute.
Please contact him.
Okay.
Alisa Nur Hafsa.
Sir.
Hello, Alisa.
Hi.
Where are you from, Alisa?
I'm from Bekasi, sir.
Bekasi. So you are in Bekasi now, right?
Yes. I'm
Okay.
Bekasi right now.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mbak Alisa, ya.
Meet you too, sir.
We go to Amanda Mardika Zaskia. Amanda Mardika
Present, sir.
Zaskia. Okay, Amanda. Okay. Where are you from, Mas Amanda? Mas Amanda lagi. Mbak Amanda.
I'm from South Kalimantan, sir.
So you are from South Kalimantan. Kalimantan Selatan. Dayak, is it correct? Karena marganya Dayak.
No, I'm not. Saya bukan orang Kalimantan asli, sir.
So you are where
Pindah.
is? Huh? So you are
Pindah
from
gitu.
Java or?
I'm
from-
still born in Jakarta.
Oh, so you are from Jakarta actually. but you were born there.
My dad.
Your dad is born in the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, my dad Bangladesh and my mom Sunda.
Oh, Sunda campurannya. Anaknya Kalimantan. That's good. Nice to meet you, Mbak Amanda ya.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay. We go to Adrian Marcelino.
Present, sir.
Okay, Mas Andrian, where are you from?
I'm from Bogor, sir.
Bogor.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, Mas Andrian ya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aulia Fitri Madani. Aulia Fitri, nothing. Crystal Aristika.
Present, sir.
Oh, Crystal. Your name is Crystal. So I call you. Can I? What's this your nickname actually? Crystal or
Crystal.
Crystal. That's unique actually. I just know the name. Someone who name it's Crystal. That's good.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Mbak Krista. Actually, where are you from? Actually,
I'm from Ciamis Regency.
Ciamis, okay, Sundanis.
Yes.
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Devi Permata Heriani. Devi Permata Herliani. Nothing?
Yes, resign, sir.
So it's
Resign.
resign. Really? This information
Really?
is valid, right?
All right.
Okay. Delia Mutia Sabrina.
Present, Mr.
Can I see you? Hello.
Hello.
Mbak Delia. Where are you from, Mbak Delia?
I'm from West Jakarta.
West Jakarta. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you, Mbak Delia.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay. West Jakarta. Fani Ayu Putri Nuryadi.
Hello, Mr.
Fanya. It's not Fani. Fanya Ayu Putri. Over there.
I'm
Okay.
here, Mr.
Can I see you? Where are you from, Mbak Fanya?
I'm from Pondok Aren.
Pondok Aren, Tangerang.
Yes.
Okay, Pondok Aren. Nice to meet you, Mbak Fanya.
Thank you, sir.
But actually, I wanna see your face actually, but you didn't turn on your camera.
I'm turned
Lukman.
on my camera, Mr.
Sorry?
I'm turned on in
No.
other device.
On another device. Oh. It's another device. Oh, this one. Fani Ayu Putri. I found you. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Fanya Ayu Putri. Okay, Fanya. Okay, that's good. Okay, we go to Jalu Arya Nugroho.
Yes, sir.
Mas Jalu, where are you from, Mas Jalu?
My from in Bandar Lampung.
Bandar Lampung.
Yes.
You have your own language, right? Bandar Lampung. Pedom.
No, sir.
So you cannot, you don't have your own language.
No.
Mas Jalu. Pedom punya bahasa lokal kan, local language, right?
Iya, benar, sir.
Is it Pedom? Do you know Pedom? No.
No.
Dom is sleep.
Bedam, I sleep actually. All right. Thank you, Mas Jalu. Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir.
Lukman Nur Lazwardi. Lukman Nur Lazwardi. Nothing. Maulana Yusuf.
Present, sir.
Maulana Yusuf, where are you from, Maulana?
I'm from Tangerang, Ciledug.
Ciledug.
Yes.
You are from Ciledug. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, sir.
Okay.
Thank
Muhammad
you.
Hikmal Irfan Shah. Hikmal.
Yes.
Oke, Hikmal nih mah udah dari tadi juga.
Kenapa, Pak?
Where are you from?
Suaranya kecil, Pak.
Oh, really? Where are you from, Mas Hikmal?
I am from Rumpin, Bogor, Jawa Barat, Indonesia.
Pin Bogor, Jawa Barat. Alright.
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Nova Andriana. Nova?
Yes.
Nova. Where is Nova?
Adanya.
Nova
Adanya,
Andriana.
Pak, suaranya letik.
Nova Andriana, are you there? Are you here? Nothing. Putri Awalia.
Yes, sir.
Putri Awalia. Where are you from, Mbak Putri?
I'm from Klaten, Central Java.
Klaten, Central
Yes.
Java is near from Jogja and Solo, right?
Yes.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Mbak Putri. So you are still in Klaten now?
Yes.
All right. Thank you. Nice to meet you. And
To meet you
to
too, sir.
Shahla Fatiha Fikri. Shahla, nothing?
Present, sir.
Oh, it's present. Where are you from, Mbak Salah?
I'm from South Tangerang, Bintaro, sir.
Oh, Tangerang Bintaro. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Shahla. All right. Wahyudi Hafid. Wahyudi Hafid.
Yes, sir. Present. Sir.
Wahyudi Hafid is present. Alright. Nah, baru tadi kan belum.
Yeah.
I haven't called your class actually last time. So you are in information system.
Yes.
Where are you from, Mas Wahyudi? Mas Hafid ya?
Yeah.
Where are you from actually?
I'm from to Manado.
Manado.
Yes.
Really? Celebes.
Not Sulawesi.
So Celebes.
Not Sulawesi.
Sulawesi. No, Sulawesi. Manado is different from Sulawesi. All right. Nice to meet you, Mas Wahyudi. Actually, I have friend from Manado. So you're still in Manado, right?
Yes.
You're still in Manado now?
Manado to Sangihe Island.
Oh, no. No, you are still in Manado now.
What do you mean?
Masih di Manado sekarang.
Yes. I stay to Manado.
Actually, I have a friend from Manado. He is Muslim. The name is Fajrul.
Oh,
He is one of Ustadz from Manado. Ustadz lah kalau dibilangnya itu. Fajrul. If you know him, you know he know me. Okay, thank you, Mas Wahyudi. We go to Widuri Husnul Pratiwi.
Present, sir.
Widuri.
Yeah. Yes.
Can you turn on your camera? Set Widuri. What the meaning of Widuri?
From Bogor.
No. What is the meaning of Widuri?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the meaning of Widuri? Widuri. Tahu nggak artinya Widuri apa?
Enggak, Pak.
Sama, saya juga enggak. That's why I ask you. Widuri Husnul Pratiwi. Okay, Widuri. Where are you from, Mbak Widuri?
From Bogor.
From Bogor. So you are from South Tangerang, from Bogor, from Jakarta, from Padang, and another one. Okay, thank you, Mbak Waduri. We go to Yuni Hapsari. Yuni Hapsari. Yuni Hapsari, nothing. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. We already know each other. Actually, my name is Dewangga. Yeah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dewangga. You can call me Mr. Angga. And my...
Sir.
Sorry. Rahmat Putra.
I'm present. I'm late. I forget my class.
From Informatika, ya?
Yes,
Rahmat
I am.
Putra. Okay, wait. Okay. Thank you, Mas Rahmat Putra.
Okay, welcome.
Okay. You can call me Mr. Rangga. I'm from Sumbawa, actually. Yeah, Sumbawa. And I stayed in Rangkas Bitung now. I stayed in Rangkas Bitung. My domisili ya di Rangkas Bitung saat ini. For this time. I don't know for next time. So for now is in Rangkas Bitung. And I was graduate from Sarjana Winata University in Yogyakarta. And I ever take a course in Pare Kediri, actually, that I already mentioned it this time. Okay, nice to meet you guys. Okay, I think I'll begin the class for today. I'll begin the lessons. Do you know, hello, Muhammad Rabani from Tayyam. Sorry, I just joined your class because I had a bad what? Okay, you had a bad connection, Robani. Thank you. Robani. So Robani is the responsible for Informatika? No.
No, sir.
I'm
from Informatika.
Sandy, Sandy. Can I see you, Mas Sandy?
Wait, I can.
On cam lah.
On cam dong.
On cam dong, on cam.
Lo. Kok ngilang? Mana on cam dong? You just woke up, right?
I'm here.
Your best last time your best friend said that you just woke up, you still sleeping.
That is true.
That's true, right?
Yeah, right.
Banyak saksi di sini ya. We have so many. Shen bangun. Okay, Shen, wake up, Shen.
I'm here.
All right, Shen. Okay, nice to meet you, Shen. Where are you from, Shen?
I'm from Depok.
Depok. Oh, pantes teman akrabnya Gary. Depok ya. Okay, now guys, have you opened the e-learning?
Yes, I have download entire material.
So you already downloaded, and can you guys say what material that what lesson that we're gonna learn today?
English for business, right?
All right, that's good. English for business. Siapa yang jadi jawab tadi?
Ahmad, sir.
Oh iya, Ahmad Hidayat. Sorry, because I can see your face, so that's why I asked who is answer the questions. Okay. Mas Hidayat ya. Okay, so you already see the lesson. Today we're gonna learn about English for business actually. Okay guys, what do you know about English for business? Okay, this one. English for business ya. English for business today. Anyone knows what does it mean by English for business?
In my opinion, English is English for specific purpose, sir.
Okay. English for specific purpose. That's good. Ya, jadi English untuk suatu kebutuhan yang spesifik ya. And this English for business is English that using in business. Yeah. And this is the outline of our lesson today, which is we have 3 things that we have to know here. Just the first one, what is language, and the second one is varieties of standard English, and the third one is languages. In the what is language, so there is arbitrary and systematic, and for varieties of standard English, there are 3 actually, which is grammar, pronunciation, and word usage. And for the languages, there is formal language and informal language. Yeah. So it is language. Mas Ahmad Hidayat.
Language is every word that we are spoken, sir.
Language is
every single word that we are spoken.
Language is every single word that we are spoken. Okay. Thank you. Anyone can answer? Mas Sahrul maybe. From Mas Ahmad said that language is every single word that we are spoken. Yeah.
Sir, maybe
Anyone can answer?
I
Mas
want to
Heidi.
give an opinion. Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Language is a method to communication each other.
Language is a method for communication.
Each other. Yes,
Okay. Language is a method for communications. Okay, another one, another opinion. Another opinion. Nathan, maybe Nathan. I think that's a good profile, Nathan.
Can I answer again, sir?
Oh, siapa? Who is?
Ahmad. Yes.
Okay,
I want to
please,
answer
Ahmad.
again.
Okay,
A
please.
language is system of arbitrary vocal symbol that permit all people in given culture or other people who have learned the system of the culture to communicate or to interact.
Okay, you got it. You got it. You got it. You got it from my slide in the right. Okay, that's good. Yeah. So you already seen my slide. That's good, Mas Ahmad. Yeah. And what you said in last time, Mas Hidayat said that language is every word, every single word that we are spoken, and also Mas siapa tadi yang jawab? Heidi ya. Heidi Anggawijaya said also that language is something or a method of language that we are, a method for communication to each other. Or communicate to each other. That's correct, Mas Hidayat and Mas Heidi. Yeah? Every single word, and also a method for communication. That's correct. And also I put here from the Financial in Ramadan in 1984. He said that language is system or arbitrary, which is vocal symbol that permit all people, given what? Given culture or other people who have learned the system of that culture to communicate or to interact. Ya, itu. So language is arbitrary. What does it mean by arbitrary, Mas Yazid? What does it mean by arbitrary? Anyone? If you know it.
Arbitrary is doing what we want, sir. Semau-maunya.
Okay, doing what we want. That's from siapa tuh? Mas Yazid ya?
Heidi, sir.
Heidi. Any other meaning for arbitrary?
Based on Google Translator, the meaning is wenang-wenang, sir.
Sewenang-wenang. Another one. Ayo.
Random choice, sir.
Random choice. From Master.
Faizer.
Okay, Master. Okay, what about this one? So, a language is system or arbitrary. Bahasa adalah sistem yang sewenang-wenang or sistem yang berubah-ubah. Ayo. Yang paling tepat yang mana?
Based or the context, berubah-ubah.
Berubah-ubah. So based on the context, the meaning is of arbitrary is berubah-ubah, which is language is a system or arbitrary. Sistem yang berubah-ubah. Based on someone who use it, yeah. Based on the culture, based on anything, yeah. So vocal symbol that permit all people, which is give a permission for all people to use that language in the culture, or people have learned the system of that culture, so they can communicate and interact with that language. Someone who already learned the system or the system or arbitrary, so they can communicate and can interact. So if you already learn the symbol of language, you already learn about the grammar of the language, you already learn of the tenses of the language, the pronunciation of the language, of the culture. So you can use it for communicate and for interact. That's according to Pinochet and Ramalan in 1984. Okay, got it, everyone?
Got it, sir.
According to Wardah in Ramalan in 1984, so he said that a language is system arbitrary vocal symbol used for human communication. Itu juga vokal simbol vokal yang digunakan oleh manusia for communication, which is used by a human, it's like us, it's like us for communicate each other. So as Mas Heidi said, Mas Heidi's answer last time, that language is a method for communication each other. That's true. And yeah, what about Gampersit in 1972? A language is set of rules enabling speakers to translate information from the outside world into sound. So, what does it mean by this, Mas Hidayat? A language is a set of rules enabling speakers to translate information from outside world into sound.
I don't know, sir. I'm sorry.
You don't know? Okay, ayo yang lain. Anyone can answer it. Language is a set of rules enabling speakers to translate information from the outside world into sounds. Gary, maybe. Are you there, Gary?
Yes, Mister.
Can you translate it?
Gak bisa bahasa Inggris, Mister. Belum kali.
Ayo, yang lain. Yang lain. You just conclude it. Try to translate it. Language adalah sebuah bahasa which is said, yang diatur dalam sebuah aturan di mana seorang pembicara mampu atau dibolehkan untuk mentranslate sebuah informasi from the outside world into sound, dari luar. Kalau outside world itu bisa dibilang dari luar kota lah. Bahasa yang pertama dengan bahasa yang kedua. Into sounds. Jadi bahasa yang ditranslate atau sebuah informasi yang ditranslate dari bahasa lain ke bahasa yang dia pakai. That's the meaning of a language is set of rule enabling speaker to translate information from the outside world into sound. Got it, everyone? Jadi bahasa yang sebuah bahasa yang memperbolehkan atau emang memperbolehkan seorang pembicara untuk mentranslate sebuah informasi dari bahasa pertama atau bahasa ibu, ya, your mother tongue, into your second language. Gitu. Got it, everyone?
Got it, sir.
Yeah. Amanda, thank you.
Inshallah, sir.
Inshallah. Okay. Language is arbitrary. Okay. Language is arbitrary. Can Maulana Yusuf, can you read it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read it.
Hello.
Hello.
Read it.
Read.
Language is arbitrary. A language is arbitrary and systematic in the way in which words string together to create meaning. Once again, arbitrary means that words are based on mutual agreement.
Okay. Okay, please, Mas Arul. Language is arbitrary. Jadi berubah-ubah ya. Is it correct? Language is arbitrary and systematic the way in which words string together, yang kumpul bersama to create a meaning. Ya, jadi sebuah kata yang kumpul bersama untuk membuat sebuah makna. Ya, kata-kata yang kumpul bareng, and untuk apa? Untuk membuat sebuah makna yang nyata. Once again, arbitrary means that words are based on mutual agreement. Yeah, let's see that. Jadi sesuai dengan mutual agreement itu sesuai dengan pendapat seseorang. Let's see the example. Bad. That's bad, sir. You say to your friend, that's bad, sir. And say to a teacher, that's bad questions. Itu akan berbeda makna, kan? The word bad, you have different meaning. If you say to your friends and if you say to your teacher. Got it, everyone? Makanya tadi dibilang di sini, sebelumnya, Once again, in which words string together to create meaning. Once again, arbitrary means that words are based on mutual agreement. Word, sebuah kata sesuai dengan aturan yang ada, sesuai dengan pendapat seseorang, kayak gitu. Sesuai dengan kesepakatan. If you say to your friend, "That's a bad shirt," what is the meaning of bad? Kalau gitu.
Buruk. Buruk.
Buruk ya. What about if you say to your teacher, "That's a bad questions"?
Itu pertanyaan yang
Yeah. You have to know the meaning with
Yang kurang tepat.
Okay. Who answer it?
Maulana Yusuf.
Maulana Yusuf. Oke. Kurang tepat. Oke.
Mungkin pertanyaan yang sulit.
Oke, it's difficult questions. And the next one, ada lagi.
Pertanyaan tidak nyambung.
Okay, it's not a good question, misalnya juga bisa kayak gitu, or it's not. Oke, pertanyaan yang tidak nyambung misalnya kayak gitu ya. Tidak nyambung, but bad question itu ya. Okay, let's see. Let's see that. If you say to your friend that's a bad question, if you say to your friend this sentence, "That's bad search," it means that bad is jelek. Yeah, jelek. Which is someone bad is common. They already know that's bad is bad, jelek kayak gitu. Jadi secara langsung saja kalau kayak gitu. Jadi orang tuh sudah pada tahu bahwasanya baju dia itu jelek kayak gitu. Ya kan? If you say to your teacher, "That's a bad question, sir," it means that bad question. No, I don't think so. It means that bad question, if you say to your question bad, bad question, it means that bad is difficult questions. Difficult question. Oke. Jadi beda toh, sesuai dengan pendapat seseorang atau pendapat bersama kayak gitu. Kalau yang jadi ada apa? Ada perbedaan makna sesuai dengan kesepakatan masyarakat yang ada. That's based on culture kayak gitu. Saya juga seperti itu. Okay, let's see next one. Let's see the next word. Cool. Cool. The word cool. Speaker use the word cool to refer to the temperature in the room, or to describe how they feel about a person or event. In each case, both the speaker and the listener understand the meaning based on their unspoken agreement, what the word means at that moment. The word cool also can be different, right? If you are in the room, and you sit, it's very cool. It means that's the temperature. Yeah, it refers to the temperature, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. If you sit to your friends in the outside room and you say that, "Hey bro, you cool, man. Hey man, you cool. You are very cool." Apa artinya?
Keren.
You are keren katanya gitu kan. Kamu keren banget sih. You are very cool. You cool, man. Itu bisa jadi. So in each case, so you already know that ya. One word it can be different meaning. Yeah, one word can be different meaning based on where the word is used by you. Ya, tergantung kapan kalian menggunakan word kata tersebut. Okay. Let's see. And the next one, language is systematic. Okay. The systematic aspect of language refers to the grammar, with speakers changing words together in the same format. For example, in English sentence follow the systematic pattern, subject, verb, and also object. Jadi bahasa is, the language is systematic. They have a grammar. They have a rule. Yeah. Every single sentence in English, it has a rule. Is it correct or not? Benar nggak? Yes. Every single sentence, it has a rule. It can be present tense, past tense, or future tense. Yeah. And the rule is every single sentence, it has subject, verb, and also object. You can see the sentence below. I read the book. I'm repairing the computer. I is as apa? Subject, right?
Right.
And read is
Verb.
And a book is
Object.
Okay. I read the book. Saya baca buku. Saya baca sebuah buku. Subject, predikat, object. And also, I'm repairing the computer. I'm repairing the computer. I am is subject, repairing is verb. Continuous tense, verb ing, and the computer is object. So you have to know that. Okay, that's why the language is called systematic, because every single sentence there is subject, verb, and object. So the sentence cannot be the word cannot be said systematic if cannot call sentence if there is no one of the system of language. Misalnya dalam sebuah kalimat nggak ada verbnya, itu nggak bisa dibilang sebuah kalimat. Atau nggak ada subjeknya misalnya, nggak bisa dibilang sebuah kalimat. If you write it only read the book, who is the subject of this sentence? I read the book, he read the book, she read the book, or they read the book. So it should have a subject. Okay, that's why the language called systematic. Got it, everyone? Nah, ini ya. Language is living organism. Tuh. Selalu berkembang ya, selalu berubah-ubah. That's why. Dia selalu berubah-ubah. From Old English, become Middle English, become Early Modern English, and Late Modern English as now. Ya, ada American English, Canadian English, Australian English, British English, Irish English, and Scottish English, and also Indian English. Ya kan? Malaya English juga ada saat ini. Even though Indonesian English also there is now, but nggak terlalu lah, karena orang Indonesia lebih bisa mengupayakan become speak as speakers. Ya, jadi masih ada American English, Canadian English, Australian English, British English, Irish English, Scottish English, Indian English, and others. Jadi living organism itu mean that it shows the evolution of English. So the evolution of English from the Old English, Middle English, Early English, Late Modern English become some kind of English. Yeah. British English, American English kan. Okay. Next, varieties of standard English. How does American English differ from the British English? And all the other varieties such as Canadian, Irish, Scotland, Australian, and New Zealand Gaussians. How does American English differ from British English, Canadian English, Irish, Scottish, Australian, and New Zealand? Bedanya di mana saja sebenarnya? But before we know where are different from English, American English, British English, we have to know in the English language there are 3 components to compare. The first one is grammar, the second one is pronunciations, the third one is the word usage. Okay. For the grammar, guys, I think all English. So from American English, British English, Canadian English, and another one, they have same grammar. Yeah, they have same grammar regardless what country you are in. You could use the same handbooks, reference book, and textbook. Wherever you are, wherever you come from, you can use the same book from American English, British English, another one. You can use the same books. You can use the same textbook. You can use the same handbooks. Yeah. That for grammar, in the fact, the least likely component, the list of the likely component of any language to change over the term is its grammar. For the past couple of hundred years, the grammar of English hasn't changed significantly. Jadi grammar tidak ada bedanya digunakan oleh American English, British English, Canadian English, Singapore English, and another one. Jadi grammar tuh tetap dipakai sama kayak gitu loh. So what do you think, guys? Where are the difference? What makes English, American English differ from British English, Canadian English, and another one?
Accent, sir.
The actions, yeah. It means that action is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Okay, you can see there. Yeah. In every country, English would take different pronunciations. Yeah. In the fact, pronunciation even varies within each English-speaking country. We can see here for British and American as a dog. Yeah, the word dog. In British English, it's pronounced talk. If in the American, talk. Can you practice it? Hello. Talk and talk. Talk. It's different, right? Hello. Anyone here?
Yes, sir.
Can you practice it? Dog as a British and dog as American. Mas Sahrul, coba.
In British, dog.
Jadi ada kayak apa namanya itu, it's like tebal sedikit, tebal gitu ya. Talk. Ada. And what about American?
In American, dog.
Nah, oke, gitu ya. Yang satunya kan for the British you use O and H ya. O and H. And for the American you use A and W. Is correct? So it has different spelling. different pronunciation. You can see here the word schedule, SCHEDULNE. In the British English, it said schedule, and for American English, it said that schedule. Schedule is different, right?
It's different.
For British, the C is missing. Yeah, the word C is missing. Directly go to H, from S to H, schedule. And the American, we still read it, schedule. Okay, get it, everyone? So the difference is in the, what makes differ American English and British English and Canadian, and another one, Indian English can be, or Chinese English, is in pronunciation, how to pronounce the word. Yeah, that makes them different. If the grammar is still same. Okay, let's see here. Okay, just use 3 actions. Can you see the video, guys?
I see, sir.
A minute.
Excuse me, sir. We cannot hear the voice, sir. Please,
You can hear
increase the volume.
Wait a minute. I have opened from another device, another application. Wait. Can you see that, guys?
Yes, sir.
Kedengeran nggak?
Not yet.
Not yet, sir.
You still can't hear the word, guys. You still you can hear the word, the voice, guys.
No voice, sir.
No voice, really? Wait a minute. Yang ini gimana?
No sound, sir.
No sound.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yes.
Really? Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay. Let's send the link to you, yeah, and you can see in the YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Nah, kalau gitu. Okay. That's the difference of pronunciation between American, British, Australian English with 3 accents. Okay. Go to the word usage ya guys ya. Jadi karena tadi ada 3 komponen ya. The first one is grammar, the second one is pronunciation, and the last one is word usage.
Word usage.
Word usage. Every English-speaking country has its own unique words that people from another countries may not understand. For example, in Great Britain, a car has a boot, whereas in America, a car has a trunk. Itu has a boot and has a trunk. Yeah, but they have different. They have different words. What is meant by boot? Guys, boot. And trunk. What makes them different? A car has a boot and car has trunk. Yeah. It can be baggage, right? Boot. You can open your translator or your apa namanya itu? Kamus. Boot and trunk. A car has a boot and a car has a trunk. Sandy, maybe. What does it mean by a car has a boot and a car has a trunk?
Huh?
Huh? Have you wake up? Mas Sandy, what makes different a car has a boot and a car has a trunk?
Boot, car with trunk. Boot. Mesinnya nyala mati gitu atau gimana? Soal mesin nyala mati gitu.
That's I mean a car has a boot is the car has a baggage.
I don't know.
Yeah, car has a baggage. Trunk also, a car has a baggage, but they use different word. That's why they called word usage. Ya, in Great Britain mobil itu ada bagasinya loh. Di Amerika, in Britain, they said that a car has a boot. In America, a car has a trunk. It's also the same meaning, but different word they use it. Got it, everyone? Okay. You can see here what you said. They have same meanings like barrister, attorney, bank holiday, legal holiday, live in elevator, yeah, single ticket, one-way ticket, account card, short card, postcode, zip code, yeah, they have same meaning, right? They have same meaning, but they have different spelling. No. Different word malahan. Different word. Same meaning, but they have different word. Barrister and attorney. Bank holiday, legal holiday. They have different word, but they have same meaning. Yeah, got it, everyone?
Got it.
It's like postcode. British postcode, kode pos ya postcode. British. In American, you use zip code. Yeah. But they have same meaning. Here, different spelling, but they have same meaning. Yeah. They have different spelling, like center, century, and center. Center. Theater. Theatre. Tulisannya theatre. But they in the spelling, in how to spell and how to pronounce it is same. Theater. But they have different spelling. They have same pronunciations. They have same pronounce it. How to pronounce is same, but in spelling it is different. Like in British, the word is if you spell it CENTRE, and for American CENTER. There is no E after R. But to pronounce it is almost same. Center. Yeah, center. Theater. Theater. That's the spelling. But the meaning, to spell it, to sound it is theater. Like organize and organized. They have different spelling, but they have the same meaning, and they have same pronounce it. How to pronounce it? Same. Color. Practice. Ada yang mau coba pronounce it? Anyone want to try to pronounce this one? No? Okay, I think next meeting we're gonna try to spell. We're gonna try to pronounce every single word. Yeah, before we start the class in the next meeting. Okay, got it? The time is already finished. Is it correct or not?
Yes, that is correct. But English is word.
Sorry?
English is word. Where?
Word. What
Aneh.
team? Yeah, awkward.
Aneh. This is
Okay.
word. Like
Yeah.
turn kalau bahasa Indonesianya tuh balai misalkan. Tapi kalau di bahasa Inggrisin kalau ke mobil itu bagasi.
Yes, it's not aneh actually, but unique. Yeah, I think. Is it correct or not? Really, it's supposed until 10 p.m. Really? Really? Oh, yeah. It's supposed until at 10 p.m., right? I know that. And usually in the last semester actually, I got it. I got the time for regular and
Sir,
karyawan is same until 9:20. Yeah, sorry.
How about Indian extra?
Okay,
Indian action.
Indian action. Indian. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Indian action. They takes actually I didn't focus on how the way they speak, yeah, how the way they act, how the way the action is. But but if you listen to them, is I'm gonna open the YouTube and you can hear the word. Can you hear that? No?
No.
Okay. Like, okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna try to practice it. I'm gonna listen.
Okay.
It's like tactic. Do you know what tactic? Tactic.
Yes. Like a straight.
They use they speak English as they use their mother tongue. They pronounce as their mother tongue. Seperti bahasa ibunya mereka ucapkan bahasa Inggris. It's like teach. If in American English or British English, teach. If in Indian English, teach. I don't know. Actually, I can't spell it correct. I mean, but you can see it in the YouTube how they spell the word in English. How they spell the word English in their own pronunciations. Yeah. But later on, I think in next meeting, I'm gonna try to write the difference between British English, American English, Chinese English, Canadian English, the way they spell, like this one. It's like the word that I already said to you, so to you. Select this one. Jadi tomorrow I'm gonna show to you Indian English maybe, yeah, Indian English, American English, no, American, Chinese. Yeah.
In Indian accent, happy birthday, like happy birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yes. That's like.
Yeah, it's almost like that, but that's why I say that I can.
T to D.
D, it's like D.
Yeah, D to D.
Ada penekanan di dalamnya. D.
Yes, this is true.
That's why that's why that I said that they have their own pronunciation because they use their mother tongue, bahasa ibu mereka. Jadi gaya bahasanya itu pronunciation-nya hampir mirip dengan Indianya juga kayak gitu. Yeah, it's different for Indonesian, yeah.
Yes.
It's different for Indonesian people. If Indonesian people they can spell the English almost as speakers, yeah. If that's for Indonesian people, but for China, for Singapore, or Malaya or Indian, of course, they have their own how to pronounce the word in English.
But,
Yeah.
but in Indonesian have Japanese.
Yeah, for example, in Japanese, they have medok things, yeah, medok.
Yes, medok gitu.
Medok, okay.
I don't know.
I don't know. You kasih no intro. That's I mean, ciri khas ya, ciri khas setiap daerah. It's like Ambon maybe. They speak as fast as possible. There's Ambon, Maluku, Flores maybe, or another one. The culture is they speak as fast as possible. They speak very fast. Ya nggak sih? That's for Ambon, Maluku, Papua. Is it correct? For Japanese, they have medok things, something that medok. It's like, can I borrow your handphone? Example. Can I borrow your laptop? But the things is, guys, the thing that you have to understand is language is something that can that we use for communicate each other. So the important things is not the pronounce the word, yeah, but the things is the important thing is your partner understand what you said. Is it correct or not? Jadi nggak penting itu seberapa bagus pronunciation Anda, nggak seberapa bagus hampir mirip dengan speakers misalnya, hampir mirip dengan orang sana asli, orang Inggris asli. But the thing is they understand what you said. Yeah. Yeah. You have to understand that, guys. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Got it.
But you have to know the difference. You have to know the difference. How they pronounce the word. Ya, in Indonesia sendiri kan punya bermacam-macam nada gaya bicara. Kayak gitu. Maybe next time there is a Japanese English Japanese, or English Ambonese, or English Depokis misalnya kayak gitu.
Depok.
English Sawangan.
Yeah, that can be right. It can be that.
English Depok.
English Depok gitu kan. Apa itu Depok tuh ciri khasnya, the ciri khas dalam bicara kalau Depok. Dalam bicara ciri khasnya apa kalau Depok?
Gir ngomong Gir. Which is adalah literally ya.
Okay, it's like Ayu Tinting, Arafa, and others ya. Itu Depok ya.
What about Jaksel, sir?
Depok dia, Depok.
Sorry. So the important thing is language is for communication. Jadi lawan bicara understand, ya, your partners understand what you said. That's the meaning of language, ya, guys. Got it?
Yes, got it. Yes,
Untuk kedepannya kita bisa cek di YouTube the different things, different pronunciation, the different accent between Indians, so American, British, Australian, another one. Okay, guys. And that's the word usage. And the next one maybe for next material I think for the next meeting, yeah guys. For the next meeting, we're gonna talk about formal and informal language, and until you can see the new the new lesson for the next meeting. You can see in the e-learning the lesson for next meeting, and you have to learn by yourself. Okay. 10 minutes left. For the 10 minutes left, I'm gonna use for someone who haven't joined the class in the first time. Siapa aja tadi? Wait, from teknologi informasi. Azri Ardi Fadlan ada? Azri Ardi Fadlan. Ada nggak? Kalau nggak ada, saya Alpa ini. Teknologi informasi. Hey guys. Teknologi informasi. Fadlan. Fazri Ardi Fadlan, nothing? Nothing. Josafat Faskal Mulyanta. Josafat. Josafat, nothing. Merlin Salda Putri Dharma Afrianti. Are you there?
Dia nggak ada dari awal.
Ada dari awal?
Iya.
Dari semester 1 kemarin nggak ada ya?
Iya, nggak ada.
Oke. Berarti saya tulis di sini apa ya? Apa aja lah ya. Because there is nothing here. What about Muhammad Calvin Effendi?
Resign.
Calvin? Resign. Oke. Muhammad Robbani? Mbak Putri ada nggak?
Yes, I am.
Where is Muhammad Robbani? Next slide, Muhammad Robbani. Can I see you, Mas Robbani? Mas Robbani. Ya.